Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Trello board ID in 2024. So if you're using the API or you're integrating, as example, your board with some external apps, this ID is very important for you. So if you need to know how to get your Trello board ID, this tutorial is for you. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide and let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this where you want. Once you open it, just go to this URL section. Here, make sure to go and type Trello.com, hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken here to this page. Here, you can click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, you'll be able to go and create a new one. As you can see, you can use Google, Microsoft, or Apple, or even Slack accounts if you have one of those, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you will be taken to the last workspace that you was at. If you don't have a workspace, of course, you can go and create a new one, add people to it. You'll be able to do lots of stuff that I'll let you to it, of course, to get or to understand this by your own, especially if you are new to Trello. So for us, we will need to go and open basically, of course, if we don't have a board, we can just go and create first of all a board. And if we have a board, as an example, we'll find your boards here at the bottom. We can simply just go and click on that specific board to access, first of all, that board. So open your Trello board for you. For the specific board that you want to get the ID of. And as I said, if you don't have a board, you can simply just go and click on create. You can create a new board, as simple as that, or you can even create or start with a template. As you can see, this is templates for tier lists as an example that I'm using here for this board. And you can, of course, edit it however you want once you start with the template, so you don't have to worry about that. So once you are at your board, we'll need to locate the board ID. Once you're on your board, of course, we'll need to look at the URL at your browser address bar. Here, as you can see, the board ID is the long string of characters followed by /b, or and before like the board name is the URL. So basically, the URL is this one. And of course, this is just the name of it. So the URL is this. This is /b, like I mean after, not before. And this is the name. This is the ID. As simple as that. You can copy that string as it is, and it's going to be your board ID. You can also, as an example, if you go to the top right option, click on share here, click on share this board with link, click on create a link. As you can see, the link will be copied. Let's go here, paste that link in here, as you can see. So this is also like an ID. This string of character is also an ID, but this is just an invite ID, as you can see, for that specific board. Of course, you can also be before like giving or creating that link, you can change the permission. So join as member or just join as observer. But as you can see, this will require a better plan. And yeah, you can also, as example, another option to do that, you can just click on these three dots, click here on print and export as JSON as example, you'll get this code. So all you need to do, just go and copy that code. And I guess there is some beauty or code beautify. So code beautify as example, just go and access that. So as example, yeah, JSON beautifier. All you need to do, just paste that code in there. And as you can see, you will find again the Trello ID right there without any problem. As you can see, very simple, right? So two ways to get your ID, and that should be good to go for you. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.